Hi friends, today we will see the basic built-in data type in Python. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variable can store data of different type and different type can do different things. Python has the following data type as you can see. Text type is string, numeric type is integer, float and complex. Sequence type is list, tuple, range. Mapping type is dictionary, this. Set type is set, frozenset. Boolean type is bool. Binary type is binary array, and memory view. So first we will discuss about the string data type. We pass x equals to hello world as a string to a variable x. Now we'll run it, and to see the output uh, here, and you can get the data type of any object by using the type function as you can see here. And now we will see the numeric data type as integer. X equals to suppose 24. It is assigned, it is 24 and it's an integer type. Now we will move to the float type. X equals 24.5, type equals to float. And for the complex number you just have to put j. Now it is a complex number. And to make the list sequence type, comma 6, comma 87. This is how you make the list. And for the tuple, just you have to change the bracket and it will change the type to the tuple. And range decide that. And for the dictionary, these are the brackets, and first you have to pass the key and then value to that key. Again key and value to that key. And type is dictionary. And now move on to the Boolean data type. True, x equals to true, data type is Boolean. Majorly we use string data type, integer, float, list and dictionary, and sometimes booleans. The rest of them is not in that much of use, but still we use them. Guys, see you tomorrow.